In this video, you'll learn how to set up your new Google Pixel device and transfer all data from your old phone. By following these steps, you will successfully migrate your important information and settings, ensuring a smooth transition to your new device. Begin by powering on your new Google Pixel. You will see the welcome screen prompting you to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through connecting to a Wi-Fi network. It is essential to have stable internet access for this setup. Next, sign in with your Google account. Make sure your old device is nearby, fully charged, and has Bluetooth enabled, as this will facilitate the data transfer process. Being familiar with these initial steps helps prevent errors during the transfer. Once you have signed in, the Pixel Setup Wizard will prompt you to transfer data from your old phone. You will have the option to choose the recommended transfer method. This could be through a cable that connects both devices or using Google's wireless transfer option. It is important to select the method that suits your situation best. After selecting the transfer method, you will then choose the types of data you want to move. This can include your apps, contacts, photos, and settings. Make your selections carefully to ensure everything you need is included. After confirming the types of data for transfer, follow the instructions displayed on both devices to initiate the process. Depending on the amount of data being transferred, this may take several minutes. During this time, it is crucial to avoid interrupting the transfer, as it could lead to data loss or corruption. You may see a progress bar or indicator showing the status of the transfer. Once the process is completed, take a moment to review the content that has been transferred to your new Pixel device. After the data transfer is finished, continue with the Setup Wizard to finalize your new device. You will be prompted to adjust preferences, which may include display settings, notification options, and privacy settings. This is your opportunity to customize the device to your liking, confirm that all apps and data have been properly restored. It is advisable to test the functionality of your new device, ensuring that messaging and email accounts are working as expected. Your new Google Pixel is now ready for use, complete with all your old data intact. This seamless transition allows you to continue using your device without missing a beat. Enjoy your new Google Pixel and the convenience that comes with having all your essential information readily available.